is how I feel about this. Yeah! Yeah! This has me so excited. Perfect rev. This really revs me up seeing this, you know? What a beauty. What a beauty.
She's a beauty, Clark.
So picture camper about up to here, back to about here, and then the departure angle here, entry door here, pop top, truck, 40s, 60s, and there's our home camper. So this is the beginning of the inner fender wells. So that has the fender removed. This one has it bolted on, so you can see the nut certs, fender bolt right there. And then what we're doing today is cutting and filling in this wheel well. And that's gonna be essentially the end of this camper frame build. Quite amazing. So again, this is the front. We've got it pitched here to fit the cab really nice. There's so much work that Kevin's been doing on this corner here specifically. Fender usually bolts up just to the side here, but we figured since it's gonna be, you know, running up straight here, we're gonna bolt it through the front or the back side of it. Then this extension's actually really nice. This will be where the camper door is. So, dude, I was thinking this is gonna be where the camper door is. Yep. So I'm gonna like walk up in, and if any spot is putting my most weight, like on the floor, it's gonna be right there. And that's super supported.
You're like extreme lightweight, dude. You don't even get stress.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah. Especially when I get on the road, I'm all fit and finished. Yeah. Gotta lose some belly. This is the camper building belly. Oh, that's weird. And these are the pieces that'll go up in here to finish that wheel well.
I know what I can see from the driver's seat. I don't know what it looks like from outside the vehicle. I have no clue.
Filming it, and we've been doing so much CAD work to get the aluminum frame ready. Cardboard aided design, right, Kevin?
Yeah.
He just said that. Jonathan came up with it. Clever, very clever, Jonathan. Seriously though, pretty amazing how the cardboard turns out pretty much the same shape as the end product, and then it all just works out. Work smarter, not harder.
Do you do CAD work? Well, that depends. What's your definition of CAD?
We just like walked in here and set that down. I'm tripped out, Kevin. What is this place? We literally just walked in here, didn't talk to anyone, start running their heavy machinery. This is a funny experience for me. The Bittenbender, yeah. Sounds like it's from Germany. And I'm German, so I'd know. Got a special cardboard shear. We had to go all the way to that other place for that metal shear, but we've got a cardboard shear in-house provided by National Smart Tennessee made in USA. Wow. Oh, I didn't even get your foot pushing that. That's pretty neat. That's like a totally legit cardboard shear. What's that actually for?
Sheet metal.
Wow, cool. Sheet metal. I learned so much. I learned so much today. Dang. From CAD to reality. knee bent. I like it. Dang, that bend's pretty cool. Yeah, bending the inside and then the outside follows. That's neat. Took all your weight there, eh? Whoa! That's a big dude. An ant so big, Kevin was like totally saw him on the ground while you're focused on the camper frame. That's pretty funny. Oh, he's stopping for a little grooming. You've probably been wondering why we haven't changed out the loaner wheels and tires yet. No reason. Another thing to check off the list. Well, thanks for letting me use the loaners, Kev.
Yeah.
That sure was convenient.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, boy.
Hey!
I have now successfully mounted two 40-inch tires. It's not that big a deal. I think I could do it on the trail. I did lift my 35-inch spare on the roof of the Dodge Mahal by myself. So that's probably harder than getting that on.
I'd say, yeah.
Alright, Kevin said a couple ugga-duggas, and then we'll torque them. Been a while since you guys have been in the interior, huh? Yeah, me too. It's still dirty from King of the Hammers. I actually cleaned it up quite a bit. Some good memories in this thing already, for sure. Can't wait to have it back. I honestly feel like it's not even mine. Like, it's had so many changes and it's been gone for long enough that I don't even remember really what it's like in the way of everyday life, you know? It's really exciting. Been a long road. Year and a half of this dream, and it's finally like it's gonna happen at the point where it's like happening. Couldn't have done it without exploring elements, building the super sweet EEXP, aka the Dodge Mahal. Planning so much of this camper around that camper. So thanks, Brian, for selling me such a sweet truck and building such a sweet truck, man. Really appreciate it. Like, honestly, the hard work you put in is like, this is an extension of that. So sponsors, ditto. Dana, Trail Ready, Steer Smarts, Icon, Warren, so many that it wouldn't be possible without Kevin. Just crazy, man. It's a good moment. Ooh, bumpity bum, bum 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 bumpity bum. Pretty nifty. Yeah, this is built to the T. 72 wide, 74 long, or vice versa? I think it's vice versa. 74 wide and 72 long.
74 by 72.
Yeah, that's what it is. So add that over there. Don't you wish it was that easy? Like I can edit videos just like.
Yeah, hear it?
Yeah. Maybe I'll edit it like that someday. But yeah, that's pretty amazing, man. Full on custom flatty. Smile me time to get a shot like this. Triangulate.
I do good monkey noises. That's if you were raising a zoo, Phil.
Thanks so much for watching this video of our custom aluminum camper frame. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of the build. It's been a long time coming, but I'm so excited to have it at this point. I'll give you some big updates in the next couple videos of how this thing's really going to function at its peak with the camper. So we'll see you then. The only question is, are you down to mob?